really good YouTube video, I think, I feel, whatever. So, I'm super excited to show you guys like the outfits that I got. This is the first outfit, little sneak peek, but I'll give you more details in a second, boo. So I got like this outfit at Walmart. Okay, so I got this outfit at Walmart, child, and it's super cute and I freaking love it. I'm gonna show you and show you a bunch of other stuff that I got that's super cute, and I don't know if it's you're gonna hear a lot of rattling, a lot of noise because my dog is being annoying and he wants to chill here and help me pick out some outfits. So I bought a couple things that I'm gonna show you, and I'm super excited and I hope you guys like it. So comment down below, subscribe, you know, leave it a like, leave it a dislike if it's trash, if you think my sense of style is freaking garbage, I get it. But like, don't be too hard on me because I didn't think that much, and plus it's at Walmart, so like, don't trip. First outfit.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. It's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright.
Okay, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me putting together outfits that are like super simple and basic, but I feel like you'll still look minimal and cute when you go to school or you go to class or you go anywhere. And it's just like, wow, like she looked like she didn't really like try hard, you know, but like you did because you watched this video. Thank you. Okay, bye. What are you still doing here?